So just listen, principles are where it's at. So when I promote something, I do not go directly to the offer simply because they know, like, and trust me, but they don't know, like, and trust this company. So what I need to do is I need to build a front end, okay, that they go to first. So instead of that, okay, that's the wrong way. And this way right here is the right way, right? So that's the wrong way, and this is the right way. You're going to send them to a front end that you put together, okay? This is supposed to bridge market. That's what I call it, bridge marketing. Bridge market. You are creating a bridge between you and the company where you can transfer the credibility. Hey, you don't know about this company, so let me share with you why I know, like, and trust this company. By transferring that credibility, they go, you know what? I don't know this company, but I know, like, and trust this brand. And this brand is recommending it. And you're going to conversions flap 10 times off this. It's just a simple thing. The problem is everybody does it this way.